Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Selamat datang and welcome to Siva's Cuisine. Today we are going to do a masala dish with crab. It's called Crab Masala. Right? Let's go in and have a look at the ingredients. These are the ingredients that you need to blend and dry roast and blend. 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 6 dry chilies and 1 piece of cinnamon stick. This is going to be the wet blended paste. Half cup of shredded coconuts and about 8 cashew nuts. You dry roast them and then you blend them into a paste with some water. Let's start with dry roasting the spices to be blended. First, coriander seeds, and peppercorns. And cinnamon stick, fennel seeds, and cumin seeds, sorry. You add the dry chili towards a later stage, not now, because dry chili will get burnt quite fast. So you wait for a while until the peppercorns smell comes up, and then you add in the dry chili. Now I add in the rest of the spices with dry chili. It takes around 1 and 1.5 minutes to dry roast this ingredient. Once the smoke starts coming out, then you know that these spices are already roasted. Okay, we are done. This is the dry roast spices which we have blended. Now I am going to dry roast the shredded coconuts and also the cashew nuts. We are going to mix this into a paste, adding some water to be used towards the end of the cooking. Okay, we are almost done. You can see the cashews, they are already been roasted a bit, and the coconuts are all dry. I'm going to off the stove. I've added some water into the shredded coconuts and cashew nuts. Now I'm going to blend them into a paste, and this is the paste of the shredded coconuts and cashew nuts which we have roasted earlier, and I've added some water too, as you can see. This will be used on a later stage. These are the other spices that you are going to use for cooking. 2 bay leaves, 3 cardamom pods, 3 cloves and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then we have the chili powder, 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1.5 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. About 10 to 12 shallots. The shallots, just cut them into half. You need 1 big red onion, 1 tomato and 3 green chilies. About 20 curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 6 cloves of garlic which has to be cut, sliced into long pieces like this. Potatoes which have half boiled them and cut into pieces like this. Tamarind paste, we're not going to use all of them, we're going to use around 3 tablespoons. And lastly, salt to taste. Let's start now with cleaning the crabs and preparing to cook. Okay, this is the crabs which I've already cleaned, and as you can see, I've already cut them into 2, and even the claws I've broken them into 2, so it will cook faster and better. Add some oil, it's around 4 to 5 tablespoons. We add in the mustard seeds. Start popping. You can add in the bay leaves, cloves and cardamom. Same time you can add in the garlic, the curry leaf, I want the garlic to get a bit roasted because it gives a good flavor to the crab masala. Then you can add in the big onions. Then the shallots. We will let the onions get cooked well first till they get slightly golden and translucent. Then I will add in the tomatoes. Now we can add in the tomatoes. Cook till the tomatoes get smashed and cooked well. We add in the ginger garlic paste and the green chilies. At this stage where they are cooked, lower the flame, add in the turmeric powder, the chili powder, and the coriander powder. Mix them. Be sure to lower the flame, if not the spices will get burnt. Now add some water. Can turn up the heat now, medium flame. Let them cook for a while. At this stage, you add in your tamarind juice. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt first. Now we can add in the cooked potatoes and also the crab. Give it a good mix. Cooking, I'm going to add the coconut paste. Going to add some water to it. Now I'm going to add the dry mixture. All of them. Now after adding in all some water and everything, let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to test for the salt now. This is how it looks. You got to add in some salt, another half tablespoon of salt. friends, the crab masala is done. It looks very delicious to me. I feel like eating the whole thing now. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed it. Give it a try at home and do comment and let me know how is it. Those of you who have not subscribed, please do subscribe, share and press the notification button so that we can come out with more recipes for you. Some very delicious recipes, go ahead and try. And thank you all for watching.